Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, where we provide you with honest and in-depth reviews of various products. Today, we have an interesting combo to discuss: the Lacolain 2.4g Ultra Slim Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. This compact and stylish combo comes with some unique features, but does it live up to its promises? Let's find out. The Lacolain combo boasts an ultra-slim design that is both stylish and practical. The keyboard features a scissor switch design, ensuring a quiet and comfortable typing experience. It also comes with a phone tablet holder, which is a convenient feature for multitasking. However, the slot for the tablet could be larger to accommodate devices with protective cases. This combo offers a 2.4G wireless connection with a range of up to 10 meters, providing freedom and flexibility. It is compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, PCs, tablets, and smartphones, thanks to its USB-A/C receiver. It works seamlessly across different operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Linux. The Lacolain keyboard and mouse both run on batteries, with an impressive 18-month battery life for the keyboard and 24 months for the mouse. They feature power-saving modes and switches to optimize energy efficiency. LED lights indicate battery status, alerting you when it's time for a battery replacement. The keyboard offers an adjustable stand to customize the typing angle for enhanced comfort. The mouse is designed to fit comfortably in your hand, reducing strain during extended use. Both keyboard and mouse have non-slip features, ensuring stability during operation. The keyboard provides a silent typing experience, while the mouse offers silent clicks, minimizing disruptive noise. The mouse also features 3 adjustable DPI levels for precise control. Both devices exhibit reliable performance with no noticeable connectivity issues. The Lacolain wireless keyboard and mouse combo offers a stylish, portable, and feature-rich solution for users seeking a clutter-free workspace. It excels in design, compatibility, and battery life, making it a suitable choice for a wide range of users. However, there are some minor design improvements that could enhance the overall user experience. That's it for today's product critique review. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.